Hello and welcome to new tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can submit a sitemap for your website using Google Search Console. So to submit sitemap, we need to create a sitemap for our website. Sitemap is basically a file in which we contains our site link so that the bot can easily read our website. So now let's go and create a sitemap for our website. So here there are two methods to create a sitemap. The first one is by creating it manually, and the second one is by using any tool which are available online. So we are using online tools which will make it easy for us. So let's go to your browser and search for sitemap generator, and here you can see the results. Click on the first link, and now you need to write your website URL. Click on start. Now it will scan your website and include all pages in that sitemap. So wait for few time, then we will get our sitemap. Okay, here we are done. Click on view sitemap details, and from here we can download our sitemap. Click on download. Okay, let me show you that how it appears. Okay, so if you can see here we have our. Okay, so here you can see in LOC tag we have our website URL, and then this last MOD means last modified date and time, and then we have the priority. So we are giving priority 1 to our website main URL, and you can manually assign priority to your pages according to your needs. Like so how does this priority helps us? So this priority sets that the crawler will crawl that page first and then the other pages. So here the maximum priority is 1, and then this point 8, point 9, and so on. Okay, so this is how our sitemap looks. Now save that file and go to our website and go to our search console account. As we have created our search console account in our previous video, if you haven't watched that video, then you can check out that video as well. So to go to our Google search console account, we need to search for Google search console. Here you need to click on the first link and now click on start now. Now you need to check whether you are in a correct account or not. We need to log in with this account and select your property. So here is our property. Now we need to submit our sitemap. So here in the site menu you need to select sitemaps, and now there are two now before submitting sitemap you need to submit that file in your website. Okay, now if you are using a plugin named as Yoast SEO, then your sitemap will be automatically generated by that plugin. So here I'm using Yoast SEO plugin. So I will go to my website and write sitemap.xml. Then it will give me the sitemap of my website. So here you can see this is the URL for my website where my sitemap is located. So here copy this URL and paste in your Google Search Console account. Click on submit. Now click on got it. Here the status is couldn't fetch, but after some times. Okay, now you can see the status was not fetched before some time, but now the status is fetched and we have successfully added our sitemap to our Google Search Console account. So I hope this tutorial helps you to submit your website sitemap in Google Search Console. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.